This video is going to be all about tape diagrams. So first I want to go some vocabulary words with you. Let's start with this problem. So these two numbers right here, these are called add-ins, and they're the numbers that you add. And this number right here, your answer, it's called your sum. If we were to turn this into a subtraction problem, that number right here, that's your difference. That's your answer to a subtraction problem. So in math, sometimes we want to show our answer and prove our answer by using a picture. One picture we can use is called a tape diagram. Here's how an addition tape diagram works. Let me take a simple problem like 6 plus 4 equals blank. We don't know yet. Now, because we're in 3rd grade, we can use a letter for the unknown. So let's say 6 plus 4 equals A. In order to solve this problem using the tape diagram, first you would draw a long piece of tape. Each of your add-ins is going to live in this piece of tape. I know that 6 is more than 4, so I'm going to split it so that this one side's a little bigger than the other. I'm going to write one add-in in one side, one add-in in the other side. My total, which we just said was an A, is these together. So I know that in this problem, A equals, what's 6 plus 4? 6 plus 4 is 10. A equals 10. My sum is 10. This is our tape diagram. Get a paper ready for you while you try one. Let's try with some bigger numbers. Let's try 137 plus 412. Go ahead and draw your tape diagram. And we'll say this is going to equal B. Let's see if you can pause the video and draw your tape diagram. Welcome back. Let's see how you did. 137 is a lot less than 412, so I'm going to make that small. 137, 412, and it equals B. And then in order to solve it, I might do my problem over here. Plus 137, 2 plus 7 is 9, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. B equals 549. That's my sum. This is an addition tape diagram. Subtraction tape diagrams look very similar. They follow the same kind of pattern, except the unknown is not down here because we know the total in the subtraction problem. So let's make a subtraction problem as follows. We'll start with an easy one. 10 minus 4 equals something. We're going to use a letter for our unknown. So let's try a symbol for our unknown this time. Let's say 10 minus 4 equals star. Okay, so I'm going to draw my tape. But this time I know the total. I know the total is going to be 10. I know one part of the total is going to be 4. But the other part I don't know. The other part is going to be star. Because if I add 4 and star together, I'm going to get 10. So I can actually solve my problem. 10 minus 4 is 6. Star equals 6. Let's see if you can solve a tape diagram problem, subtraction tape diagram problem, all by yourself. Let's try one that is a little more challenging. 967 minus 145 equals box. Let's see if you can pause the video and draw a tape diagram. Did you do it? We know our total, our biggest number is 967. We know that one thing that makes up that number is 145. We know that the rest of it is box. That's what your tape diagram should look like. To actually solve the problem, 967, 145, subtract, 7 minus 5 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus 1 is 8. Box equals 822. I hope this gave you a little more information about how to make tape diagrams for addition and subtraction problems.